So you want to know more about motion capture. Motion capture is the process of recording live action motion and converting that into digital 3D animation. This marker that I had in front of the camera at the beginning of the video is a reflective marker. And what motion capture software does is converts motion of a marker that is recorded by a series of cameras, like that's what's around me in this room, and then converts that into digital animation. So it looks for the translate position of this marker and converts that into digital animation points. So this motion capture system around me has a series of cameras that are all pointing towards one central location. And the software will look for a series of markers, what's called a marker set. And then it will try to follow that motion and record the motion of these markers. And we can apply that motion to things like characters, objects, props, anything like that. So we're going to take a look at the process of motion capture. Overall, the cameras are infrared cameras that will look for just reflective markers within the space here. So we're going to jump into the motion capture suite and take a look at the process. So this is a motion capture suit. This motion capture suit has markers placed in key locations throughout the body, on the fingers, on the arms, on the legs, on the feet, on the cap, on the torso. So that way the motion capture system and these cameras all around me can focus on what the body is doing and convert that marker motion into digital 3D animation. So if you look at the screen behind me, my character is already repurposed onto the skeleton. My motion is in real time showing me what I'm doing in the video. So what this process is really doing is taking live action motion, converting it into digital 3D animation. So characters are one thing we can record with motion capture. We can also record props as well. So I have a lightsaber or a sword prop that I put some markers on. And when I move it around, if you watch the screen behind me, it will record that motion as well. This is what's called a rigid body prop. Okay? Characters are called skeletal motion capture. So with a prop, we can also record the motion just like I can with any other kind of object, such as a chair as well. So if I look at my chair, I can spin my chair around, and the system will record that action. So I can sit down in my chair, relax. I can move around and do anything I want to with my body and my props. So that's the overall process of motion capture. The next part, we're going to look at some final animations from this exact recording to show you what some final look of the motion can be.